In this video, I have 5 simple tips for you to make sure you're getting the most out of your Facebook business page in generating leads and making sales. And that's all coming up right now. So here we are on my Facebook page. First up, don't forget to give me a like to stay up to date with all of my content. So tip number 1 that I have for everyone in wanting to, get the most out of social media to generate leads with your Facebook page and make sales. First tip is I want you to set up and optimize your Facebook page for success. Okay, now for a lot of you, it might sound that's common sense, but the vast majority of business Facebook pages that I see, people just haven't, done that as well as they could have. Remembering in the world of social media, we need to stop the scroll, and people are going to decide within seconds whether they like your page or they're going to click off and the opportunity will be lost. So what I want you to focus on first up is having a customizable banner image or cover image here. So when someone lands on your page, they know in an instant what it's all about. So focus on getting an engaging cover image that's going to stop the scroll. You also then want to have over here your profile image. It's either going to be a photo of you or a business logo, that type of thing. It's the fundamentals, I know, but the vast majority of people need to be doing this better. And this cover image needs to be sized correctly for mobile, because 80% of all Facebook views now are on a mobile device. And when people then scroll down, they're going to see, what you've been up to on your page. Now, I'm heavily focused here with video content at the moment. Just as I have in my YouTube channel, I've been really pumping out lots and lots of videos on my YouTube channel over the last year or so, and I'm equally replicating that here on Facebook. So I've actually gone with a different page setup. I've actually gone with a video page setup for my page, which gives me this featured video area right at the top of my Facebook page. So where I can add 5 spotlighted videos for people to scroll and start engaging with me on. So I do actually have a separate video on how to get that part going, and I will put the link in the description below. But that's something that some of you may want to do, is you go into the settings and you would change it from a standard default page setup to a video page, which gives you the spotlight. So that's something that you can maybe look at. So people then are going to scroll further down your page. You want to make sure that you've got all of your about information. Look, most people do get that right, but add some extra clickable links. Most people might just put their website. I've also got my LinkedIn profile, my Twitter, and my YouTube account as well. When someone lands on my Facebook page, I want them to have a good experience, and I want them to start watching some of my videos, or they might end up either on my YouTube channel. All of this is my branding, and all of this helps my sales funnel. Equally, what else you want to do is you want to make sure you've been posting, relatively frequently. For most of us, you should be able to be posting, every day or every second day, that type thing. Facebook likes pages that are active and with posts and liking and commenting and engaging. So make sure you're posting some content initially, because if someone lands on your page and you haven't posted in 2 weeks, it's a sign it's not very active. Equally, with all of my video content, this is all part of setting up the page. I've actually got playlists here, so people can click on my Twitter for Business or YouTube for Business or Facebook for Business playlist, and then they can start watching 5, 10 or 20 videos again, getting to know me more, and that's a huge signal to Facebook that someone is enjoying my page. So they're just some really simple tips on how to set yourself up. I will put a video link in the description below on how to correctly set up your Facebook page, and I go into that with more details as well. Now, tip number 2 I want you to focus on is video, and more video content. That's right. Video is the preferred medium that people would rather engage with us these days. It is all over TikTok. It is all over Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, video content. So those who can master the art of creating engaging, entertaining, funny, thought-provoking videos will win on social media. So, I'm a big fan of recording and uploading videos. This is one that I just did the other day, not only uploading it to my YouTube channel, but of course sharing it here on my Facebook page. So with video content, you can do it a few different ways. Most of the time I upload a video, we call it a native video. So I upload the video directly to my Facebook page. And this was an example of one that I did a few weeks ago. In this video, I will show you how simple and easy it is to record your iPhone and sound as well. So when people click the link here, it plays the video. Now, this is what's called a native Facebook video. I've uploaded the video directly to Facebook. Facebook like that because there's no links taking them away. But equally, I do things slightly different. Just this morning, I uploaded another video post. So this particular one, it's all about your Instagram profile name and username. And I say, click my YouTube link in the comments below. So in this particular one, I'm saying to people, hey, here's the clickable link. Now, I do that for a specific reason. This particular post is just an image post, but there is my YouTube channel, and it provides a backlink to my YouTube channel. Now, Facebook won't actually overly like this one, but you know, I do lots of different things, and all of that combines. But what it's all about is video content is the absolute key. And you know, just start getting going with 1 minute videos or 1 or 2 minute simple how-to videos. And then you start building up a video library here on your Facebook page. So again, when someone lands on your page, they're more impressed. They're likely to stay on your page. It's providing a signal to Facebook. So, and I mentioned before, you know, you can then start adding them to playlists. Now I need to update some of my playlists with more videos, but here you go. Twitter for business, there's 9 videos there. YouTube for business, Facebook for business, social media for business, LinkedIn for business, that type of thing. So video content is the preferred medium. That's what people want to engage with you on. So start creating more video content. Tip number 3 is all about Facebook stories. That's right. You've probably seen them on Instagram. Instagram and Facebook stories are huge. So you will get significantly more engagement on one of your story posts than you will most likely get on, you know, any of your standard posts. So if I click here on my thumbnail, it's going to then give me the option, or if anyone else was viewing, the stories would pop up. So when I click on that, it's going to show me the stories that I posted this morning. And these were just video clips or clips from my videos. Again, I'm repurposing some of my content. So I'm just, you know, giving people a snippet or a bit of a tease on some of my video content. So people then who are consuming my stories can then click on here and it will actually take them to the full video as well. And people will actually know you have a story uploaded to your Facebook page because of the blue ring, the blue icon. So people can click on there, they can view the story, and it's just another way for people to engage with your page. Now, this is something you can do literally, you know, many times a day. You know, you might be only posting, you know, once a day or every second day, but with stories, they're so easy and creative. And this is the medium that people, again, with long form video content, short form video content with stories, this is how people want to increasingly engage with anything online these days. So mastering and using video stories many times a day is something that we can also be focusing on. All of these things lead to, you know, social media is all about visibility. Visibility equals credibility equals profitability. And the more content you produce, you're more visible. That increases your credibility. And then when you have a buy now post or a call to action on your page, you know, your chances of that conversion happening are vastly increased. Tip number 4 is all about stopping the scroll with your image, your headline, and your content. Remembering I said before, people are going to decide within seconds whether, when they land on your page, whether they like what they see. So creating eye-catching, engaging images that stop the scroll is absolutely important. Like the days of just having bad images or non-related images that, you know, aren't going to stop the scroll, they just don't cut it anymore. So I professionally get a lot of my YouTube thumbnails done. And once I've done that, I'm able to use them across all of my other social media platforms as well. So when people are scrolling through my videos, hopefully they're left in no idea, you know, what the post is about. Featured videos, that was the section that, remember I told you off the top of my page, that's explaining that. This one is just a branding one for me, Mark Warncken, LinkedIn expert. I did the same with YouTube expert, but hashtags on Twitter. And then the post says, the headline says, in this video, I will explain how to correctly use hashtags on Twitter. So if anyone's scrolling on Facebook and this image pops up, which is the thumbnail of the video, I think it leaves people in no doubt what my video is again about. Rest in peace for Facebook cover videos. It's an intriguing one. Oh, what is cover videos? What's rest in peace? Facebook cover videos, how to retweet, how to create a Facebook cover video. I think people are getting the idea. YouTube explained in only 5 minutes. So I've got a 5-minute series as well, because our attention span is been vastly reduced. So I've gone with a 5-minute videos. What are spotlight videos? There we go. So that's the video link that I will put in the comments, the description below. That's all about how to set up that featured video. Now, sometimes I do share other stuff that I've seen online. This was just from a news website here in Australia. Aussie social media shopping booms by 700%. But have a look at the image. Nice crystal clear image, good engaging headline. I share information to my Facebook page, from other sources as well. But remember, image, headline, content, you need to stop the scroll when someone is scrolling through your Facebook page. And tip number 5 that I have for everyone, it might sound simple, but I want you to engage with your audience here on Twitter. I'm sorry, not on Twitter, but on Facebook. So when someone does leave a comment, like and comment and get back to them, because what all these things do, they bring your page to life, and they're a signal to Facebook. So I posted this particular video on LinkedIn stories, and I had Ella Orr said, "Hi Mark, LinkedIn no longer has stories as a feature." That's right. It was a video that I'd just uploaded, and within a very short period of time, the LinkedIn Stories feature had disappeared. But I got back to Ella straight away on that one. Equally, 5 minutes on Twitter. Well done, a simple explanation. Thanks, Peter. That's the aim of all of my videos. So I know it might sound very simple, but just engaging on all of your socials, whether it be here on your YouTube channel, whether it be on Instagram, or whether it be on your Facebook page, is very, very important. And people do actually notice it. Here we go. I had a comment recently that came on my YouTube channel. Joe said, "This dude is a goat." Now, for goat, if people aren't, that's not an insult. It's the greatest of all time. He's saying this dude is the greatest of all time. He responded to practically every comment and still does a year later. So I do that across all of my socials, whether it be here on my Facebook page or whether it be on LinkedIn, and most definitely here on my YouTube channel as well. And all of these simple tips add up and combine, and if you do them consistently, your Facebook page will actually grow. Now, once your Facebook page will grow, opportunities open up, more leads, more inquiries, more sales, and things like that. These are the fundamentals I want you to be doing across your Facebook business page, but not only on this one, across all of your social media platforms as well.